Alright. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to our Red Fashion Day.
People will always stare, so make it worth their while.
Yes.
If fashion is a crime, I plead guilty.
Nice. Nice one.
I don't design clothes, I design dreams.
Oh, yeah, that
What
was
is that supposed to mean?
I was gonna choose that one.
Style is a reflection of your attitude and your personality.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go back.
All right.
This is really due to the stability of the product that you guys, the engineers, have designed and developed and launched, as well as the custom support people.
For a new member collection, let's welcome again a new hires, Clint and Louie. Yes. Congratulations to AJ.
Sariling sikat.
It's an Asha.
I don't know what to say, but I have a lot in mind.
That's perfect.
John and Buddy.
Sir,
John and
Dancing
Buddy.
Queen. Dancing Queen. Dancing Queen. Dancing Queen.
Oh, type John, type.
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 Buddy.
Okay.
Wrong spelling wrong.
Okay, good.
Yay!
Okay, any guess?
The woman.
The woman
The
in
woman
red.
in red.
Yes.
Okay, next. Kim and Ralph. It's Kim and Sir Ralph.
May parokya ni Edgar.
Nice game.
Oh, Miss Kim. Okay, same ha. Let's start.
Go, Sir Buddy.
You don't have to feel like a wasted space.
Your original cannot be replaced.
Kakanta na yan.
Okay,
If only
okay.
you knew what the future
Hello.
holds.
Isa na.
Ito na yung
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose.
Miss
Far
Angel.
away, far
Far
away.
Sige, group 1 leads. So, congratulations.
Yes.